Hey, this is Mika from Designer Boss, and in this video, I'm going to show you how our ready-made website templates work. Our templates are easy to customize yourself with a drag and drop page builder, and they require no coding or design experience and come with step-by-step video tutorials. So to launch your websites, you'll just want to follow a few easy steps. So step one, of course, is to purchase your template. You can choose to customize the template yourself, or you can select the add-on service to have us customize it for you, which includes 1 custom website banner, 3 to 4 custom buttons, color customization, adding all of your text and images, customizing your menu, and page layouts to suit your needs. Here are a few examples so that you can see how it could potentially look if we were to customize it for you. Now, once you place your order, you'll receive an email confirmation that looks something like this, and you will see that it says, please click this link for next steps and to fill out your website details. So you're going to go ahead and click on that link, and then it will bring you to the website details page, which also tells you the next steps. So the next step is to sign up for your hosting and support plan, which you can click to get to right here. And when you click on that link, it will open up a new window where you can go ahead and select this plan. So hosting is basically like purchasing a piece of land in the internet world to build your website on, and you must have some type of hosting in order for your website to exist online. You'll also need to get a domain name if you don't already have one, and we recommend getting your domain name from Namecheap. But if you do already have one, no problem. We'll go ahead and connect that to your new site for you. So you'll just want to type in whatever you want your domain name to be and click on search, and it will let you know if it's available. It's best to use a .com if you can, but if you're local, for instance, you're in Canada, there's no problem with using .ca. .co is okay, but .com, of course, is always the best option. So you just want to go ahead and add it to your cart, and then you're going to go and click on checkout. And you can go ahead and skip whatever add-ons they're trying to sell you. You won't need any of them. You just want to go ahead and confirm your order, and then you'll be prompted to do the rest of the setup process. Once you've completed those 2 steps, you'll then want to go ahead and fill out this form here with all of your information. So we just want a bit of information about you, your business. We'll need your domain login so that we're able to connect it to your website. So for instance, if you were to buy your domain name from Namecheap, then we will need the name of the provider. So that could be GoDaddy, it could be Bluehost, it could be Namecheap, NameHero, etc. You'll put in your login credentials and let us know what type of business you have. And also you'll need to let us know which option you selected during checkout. So we would like to know if you are going to be doing it yourself or if you selected the add-on for us to do it for you. So once you click submit, you will receive an email confirmation. So be sure to check your spam or your promotions folder if you're using Gmail, just to make sure you don't miss the confirmation email. And it will take us about 24 to 72 hours for you to have your website all set up for you. We take care of all of the techie stuff on the back end. So all you need to do is either customize your website, or if we're doing it for you, we will send you an invite to our client portal, which is called Asana, and that will have all the next steps in there for you. So if you're wondering if this template is the right fit for your brand, you can simply click the View Live Demo Site button right here, and it will open up the live site so you can go ahead and browse through and see all of the features and functionalities that come along with this site. And remember, you can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can change the text, the images, add new pages, hide or remove pages you don't need, add new sections and elements to the page, or hide sections and elements you don't need completely. So you can definitely use our templates as is or completely customize it to suit your needs. So if you don't already have a logo, fonts, and colors picked out for your brand, not to worry. We include basic branding tutorials showing you how to create your own brand identity, style guide, and logo. We also include Canva swipe files so that you're ready to quickly and easily customize the template to make it your own. So our Canva swipe files include website banners, so there's a bunch to choose from as a starting point or just to look at for inspiration, and you can go ahead and edit those and make them your own, adding your own colors and your own images. We've also included the call to action buttons that you'll need that go right beneath your header to either shop or book an appointment or view your services, so you can customize the text, the colors, the fonts, and you can also customize the titles. So we've included a bunch of titles that you may or may not want to use throughout the site, and you can go ahead and customize all of those and plug them into the template to make it your own. And if you ever get stuck and need support, not to worry, we're just an email or a phone call away. So if you still have any questions before you get started, feel free to shoot us an email or book a free 15-minute discovery call.